Thirumuruganpoondi is situated in Tirupur District, Tamil Nadu. The place derives its name from Thirumuruganatheswar Temple present in the town. The temple dates back to 9th century. The origin of the temple is rooted in legendary antiquity. Soorapadma, the scourge of the gods with his retinue of demons, struck terror in the celestial world with his sudden depredations and campaigns. The persecuted gods approached Lord Shiva and implored him to save their lives. Lord Shiva sent Lord Subramanya with a huge army headed by the valiant Veerabhahu to destroy Soorapadma and his retinue. Lord Muruga accomplished the arduous task, but he was afflicted with the mortal sin of mass killing. In order to absolve himself, he installed a Shiva Linga in Thirumuruganpoondi and worshipped it. As Muruga himself adored Lord Shiva, the latter assumed the appellation Thirumuruganathaswamy, which means Master of Muruga. The holy shrine is also associated with Sundaramurti Nayanar, one of the most celebrated saints of Shaivism. He did a pilgrimage to the holy shrines of Shiva in Nadu. Now Shiva, the Lord of Thirumuruganpoondi, who wanted to hear the saints' melodies, compositions waylaid Sundaramurti Nayanar in the guise of a hunter and robbed him of all his belongings and disappeared into the temple. Sundaramurti Nayanar's sorrow burst out in the form of soul-full song expressing his anguish and chiding the Lord of Thirumuruganpoondi that his divine presence in such a notorious place was mere mockery. Pleased with the poignancy of the compositions, the Lord ordered the return of all his belongings. Having understood the divine purpose behind the prank, Sundarar leaped with joy and glorified the Lord in 10 songs. This episode is celebrated as an important festival called Vedupari. The great sages such as Agastya, Markandeya and Durvasa took to severe austerities and worshipped the Lord enshrined here. It is said that Durvasa brought the Madhavi tree from heaven and placed it here. The Amman in this temple, named as Muyangupun Mulayammai. Lord Muruga worshipped Shiva Linga, which was installed by him, and he did not pray to Amman. So Amman got angry and she didn't come to the place. Lord Shiva was not able to be there without Amman, as he created a flood behind the statue and Shiva Linga was about to be destroyed by the flood. Parvati was not about to see that and she came down and hugged the Shiva Linga to save it. So Lord Shiva was too happy. As Parvati hugged him, he was happy, so the Amman named as Muyangupun Mulayammai. Sri Thirumuruganathaswamy Temple is one of the 7 Shiva Sthalams in the Kongu region. It's an ancient temple said to be more than 2000 years old, though the present structure belongs to the 9th century CE. The presiding deity is Sri Thirumuruganathaswamy, an aspect of Shiva. The entrance is an open courtyard with a Deepastambam of modest size. Beyond that is an age-worn mandapam, the pillars of which have been reinstalled. The first Sannidhi is that of Sri Subramanya. Here he is known as Sri Shanmuganadhar with 6 faces, astride his favorite peacock vehicle, flanked by Valli and Devayani. It is believed that devotees can be relieved from mental ailments and can get respite from the evil effects of curses by worshipping the Lord at this temple. This temple is also famous as a Parihara Sthalam for Kedu Dosham and Brahmahatya Dosham. It is also believed that devotees can recover their lost items by reciting Saint Sundarar's Padigam of this temple. It is believed that taking a dip in the Shanmuga Tirtham grants the boon of childbirth to the childless couples. It is also said that the Pandya king Maharadhan performed puja here and was blessed with twins. Om Namah Shivaya.